So guys, how are you? Yeah, it's 7 o'clock and I want to carry you guys along. Yeah, it's just a mini night routine. Okay, I just want to carry you guys along. Actually, I've come back from the market. I came back late. And I'll also be showing you guys what I bought and alongside with what is happening now. Okay? Aka mmadụ zuru ike, ọtakị na-enye nsogbu. Mpụsị na bebi you could not chop. No. My security guy came back from his party. Yeah, he was doing birthday party somewhere. So he brought this wine for my husband, 8 p.m. So he said I should give it to him. Okay, so now security wey dey treat well go remember to buy drink for you. Okay, so that's it. Let me go and drop it for my husband. Okay. Let me keep it in his room. Nah, why are you crying? So I sat him in his chair, that baby car. So he was sitting there. I guess he's tired. That's why he was crying. Nah, say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Okay. So actually, we'll be spending our day here in the kitchen. We're already in the kitchen. So we want to fry egg. No, it's like our back bubble. Our back bubble. Your kid. So we're waiting till 3 months so I can back him, okay? So there's no cause for alarm. Yeah, there's no cause for alarm. But what you don't need to do is to spread his leg. Okay. So we want to fry eggs. So we want to eat it with our jollof rice, the rice we cooked in the morning. Okay? And as on granite oil. Okay, manage this one fry. So I call like a cut. 2, Mbana 2 is small. If I check out that first set, you get fire the out. So that's my sister. She's the one in the kitchen. She doesn't know hi. Say hi, guys. Okay. So she's going to fry egg for us. Can you hear our rice? Okay. Mom, say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you? Oh, hi, guys. Baba, hi, guys. Okay. Okay. Is she let that come? Is she be here? Jemmy is here because come marry. So I want to cook it so that I got it sick. Mistake. Nobody's above mistake. This time can fuck up sometimes. Can fuck up. Real good. Look at. Got 3 parts. So I'm gonna cook it now. Okay. This is basically what I was able to buy today. Yeah, I went to the market around 4 and we come back by 6. And I didn't buy all that I wanted to buy. Okay, let me just show you guys what I bought. So this is basically my condiments. Yes, these are condiments. This one is detergent, our toilet soap for washing detergents and the rest of them. I'm going to open them. This is my tomatoes. I'm coming. This is my tomato. So this is their golden one. It has finished. Okay. Then we ran out of groundnut oil. I bought this cane. Then I bought some cubes of maggi, and this one is beans. I don't usually like beans, so I used to buy half paint. Half paint on that maybe. Okay, this is my soap. This is the one I'm using. Ito's skincare. Okay, so this is salt. So groundnut oil. I used to buy these ones for small food like spaghetti. And this is my tomato sachet. Okay, so this is basically what is inside this carton, and my maggi. Okay, so let me open this bag. Okay, so guys, I forgot to on my phone light, so I've on it now. These are the ones that are inside this sack bag. So I wanted to cook vegetable soup this night, but I can't. I've changed my mind. So I want to eat rice with egg. I have jollof rice which we prepared in the morning. Okay, so it's gonna be tomorrow. So I'm going to spread this thing and leave it. Tomorrow we'll use it. Then I have my crayfish and my grounded pepper. Then I have my meat. I wanted to use this meat to cook the soup, and my pomo. Okay. Then this is groundnut oil, is for frying. I use it to fry. I have some. I have to buy half. Okay, so this one is my stockfish. So I'm going to open them one after the other also. So, and I also bought frying pan, big one. It's not just the one I have here is just one. Anytime I want to fry egg yam for my girls, I end up frying it twice or three times. But with this thing, I can fry one or twice depending on the quantity of yam that I want to fry. And I also bought this shift. I love it. I saw it and I love it. Okay, this one is handy shift. Okay, I can easily use it and do whatever I'm doing. I take. Thank you. So I also bought my Tony and Gary. Long story cut short is that this one broke. So now I bought another one. Okay, so and my baby cups, I have to change their cups for them. And so I have to buy another cup for them. I'm gonna change the one they have. So you choose one and give golden one. Choose one. You like that color? This one is golden. Give golden one. You take your own. Okay, then I think it's okay. I bought sponge, iron sponge, and also vim for washing pots. Okay, so this is what I was able to buy today. Oh. Okay. So yeah, Chana. So and I also bought pampers. Yes, I forgot to show you guys that one because I go pampers almost every 2 weeks. Highest 2 weeks gonna last. Okay, this is my rice. Okay, come and eat with me. So I'm gonna eat with my girls. This is their own egg. So I'll put this here. So I know that once they see this egg now, that is the only thing they will eat. They will not eat another thing. Okay, oh, let's eat. Okay. Abanyaga. She's really sleepy. Look. Everything, everywhere is now fine. Okay, and now also close the window. So I'm boiling water to take my bath. I want to go and bath. After that, just sleep. Okay. Let me go and bath. I'll come back and wish you guys a very good night rest. Okay. So guys, yeah, I am here. I almost forgot that I've not ended my vlog properly. so please pardon me. Okay, so if you have watched me up to this place, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section, like my videos and share my videos as well. Thank you for those who have been sharing my videos. I really appreciate. Okay, yes, I'll be leaving you guys here, and thank you for always watching this girl. I love you guys. See you once again in my next video, and please turn on your notification bell.